a tsunami is literally, as I said in the beginning, it's always destructive. And I believe that the most important part is to see in the direction that tsunami is going. So it's metaphorical of financial difficulty. So when the tsunami comes actually from the front, it means that it's still in the future, but the Lord wants you to pray that it doesn't harm you. When the tsunami is already passed you by, it means it's something that already happened. Okay, so do not need to worry about it. It's over and done with. When it moves from the right hand to the left hand side, it means that even though you pray against it, it's going to happen because the Lord wants to glorify himself in all of those financial difficulties. When it comes from the left to the right hand side, it means that the Lord wants you to pray against it because he doesn't want, this whole ordeal or something. The Lord never ever wants it, but this whole thing to happen with you.